Hello, my name is Sadie Williams, and I am a victim of the fastest growing vector-borne disease in the United States. This disease is Lyme disease, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. So first, what even is Lyme disease? Lyme is what happens when you get bit by a tick. You can get a bullseye rash from your tick, but according to LymeDisease.org, only 40% of people remember getting a rash. When I was bit, I didn't get a rash, just a stiff and swollen arm when I woke up one morning. Because Lyme is such an invasive bacteria, it can mimic 300 different symptoms and spread anywhere in the body. Mine spread to my brain and mimicked bipolar disorder and attacked my thyroid. Unfortunately, many people are misdiagnosed with other illnesses, just like I was misdiagnosed with bipolar disorder. So, why is Lyme so hard to diagnose? One reason is the two tests approved by the CDC are accurate less than half the time according to LymeDisease.org. LymeStats.org notes that due to inaccurate testing, the average person can take up to 2 years to get diagnosed. Luckily, I only took 9 months. So what happens after you are finally diagnosed? There are 3 main treatment options. The first is antibiotic treatments. I have been on antibiotics for 3.5 years now. The problem is that Lyme disease easily builds up an immunity to the antibiotics super fast. So every 2 to 3 months, you have to switch up the antibiotics. The second option is IV treatments. These tend to be expensive because insurances don't cover them, and they can leave patients exhausted for days after the treatment. The third option is called low-dose immunotherapy, which is the idea of allergy shots. To help boost the immune system, I go and get shots of dead Lyme bacteria. I do a variation of all 3 of these treatments, which all have taken a hold on me mentally, physically, and emotionally. From these treatments, people ask if Lyme is curable. The answer is that remission is possible, but once the disease is in the body, it can always come back. And since there is no test available to see if the disease is gone, it is based purely on the symptoms of the patient fighting the disease. My road to a cure has been a long one. Here is me 1 year after treatment. I have saved all of my empty medicine and supplement bottles in Nike shoe boxes since I have started. Though it has been hell to say the least, I have fought hard and hope to get into remission in the next 2 years. I hope you have found this video informative. Thank you for watching.